on how to protect yourself, not talk about RTAs, injuries, major injuries as such. But see, I thought because all of you are riding, all of you will ride into the future again. So here, I thought when I looked up, actually, what are the common problems with which a rider is going to come to me, or with which a rider normally comes to me. So what I figured out was, when I looked at the statistics of my patients, I realized that a lot of you come with back pain. So when you look at the stats, 51% patients have 51% riders, if you take the stats, 51% riders seem to have some kind of back pain, either from the neck or in the lower back. 17% only in the lower back. So now, it is certain things which you can modify in your riding would be good. There's a beautiful, if you have time, just Google up and find out. There's a beautiful paper on industrial ergonomics, which is from Bangalore Institute of Technology, on the exact riding position. So I'm not going to tell you, much in detail, but it has to do with your hand grips, your seat position, the neck tilt, the back position, how the seat is going to be, and the knee bend, all that. So have a look at that. So the how to avoid this, you need to take breaks. That means you can't. I understand. Riding means riding on and on and on. But take a break once in a while. Then work on your core. The core is the key to your back. The core exercises. Okay, so every day you want to ride for like 5 hours, right? But at least do at least half an hour of core exercises. Core will really help. So the core develops not only here, but also in the lower back. Then your helmet. So all of you know what is an ideal helmet, how to fit it. So the simplest thing, it should be a snuggle fit helmet. So if it is too loose, it works on the aerodynamics, it causes neck strain. If it is too tight, people can, within 1 hour, if you're wearing your helmet, and within 1 hour, if you have pain, that means it is a pretty tight helmet, you need to have a look at it. Because there is a certain amount of compression which happens in the nerves and in the brain area. So it's called cranial neuralgia. So again, a beautiful helmet, a nice snug fit helmet is very important. Change your helmets once in 3 to 5 years. If you find that there is some wear and tear, if there is some kind of movement which is happening kind of loose, change it. So these are the normal things in the back and in the neck area. And then something which is noticeable is, I myself, I have my had my fair share of my rides on my bullet. So now, what is noticeable is I have had the KTM2 and RC KTM, and these are two different kind of bikes. Your enduro bikes are different. Each bike has got a different kind of hand position. So if you got, for example, if you're going to lean forward, the hand is going to be, the elbow is going to be straight like this, and the hand is going to be like this. In the sustained position like that, you can have numbness in the fingers. You must have noticed some numbness coming to the fingers and constant pain. That's not a good sign. That means to say that your nerve here, called carpal tunnel syndrome (CTS), it is getting compressed. So you need to wear padded gloves, which will take up your position into slightly like this. Adjust your handlebar so that the handlebar is slightly higher. If it is not, everybody is suited to this kind of position. For example, if your upper body is heavier, then you're going to lean forward like that. And again, this extreme position can cause tinkling. The moment you start tinkling, know that it's not a great thing. So you need to, the best way to adjust it, handlebar and your padded gloves, and change